Farmers continue to be on a warpath after the talks with centre failed to yield any results yesterday. Farmers now have intensified their agitation. Thousands of farmers are sitting on a dharna at Delhi's Singhu border. There's also been a major face-off between the cops and the farmers along the Delhi-UP border in Ghazipur. There's massive traffic in the Delhi-Noida link road after the Chila border area has been shut. Farmers have blocked the area, demanding a rollback of 3 new farm laws last evening. Protesting farmer groups are going to be writing a letter to the centre today and list out all the objections that they have regarding the farm laws.
हम कह रहे हैं कि पूरे देश का ये कौमी आंदोलन है, देशव्यापी आंदोलन है। इस आंदोलन में देश की सभी जथेबंदियों को बुलावा दिया जाए और मोदी जी खुद मीटिंग लें और इन बिलों को रद्द करने की कवायद शुरू करके बिल रद्द किए जाएं। पर वो बार-बार जो है बिलों के फायदे गिनाने की बात होती है, इसके नुकसान जो है वो नहीं देखे जाते।
आंदोलन जो है वो बढ़ रहा है। अगर सरकार ने जल्दी बात ना मानी तो हो सकता है दिल्ली के बाकी नाके भी हमें सील करने पड़े और ये आंदोलन तब तक जारी रहेगा जब तक हमारी बात नहीं मानी जाती, चाहे उसमें कितना ही टाइम लगे, चाहे उसमें कुछ भी करना पड़े। और देश के सारे संगठन जो है हम एक मंच पे हैं, एक जगह है और एक तरीके से ही आंदोलन लड़ा जाएगा।
हमारी सरकार से एक ही बेनती है, हम यहाँ पे बात करने के लिए तैयार हैं। अगर आपने हमें बुलाया है, कल बुलाया है, मीटिंग करनी है, हम हर बात पे तैयार हैं। तो किसाने की जो मांगे हैं पूरी की जाए, ये तीनों काले कानून रद्द हो, एमएसपी पे सरकार बात करे। जो
एक बेसिक फैसिलिटेशन इस मुद्दे को रिजॉल्व करने करनी चाहिए, तो दिल्ली पुलिस के लिए बिल्कुल तत्पर है और हम अपनी पूरी फैसिलिटेशन इनसे कर रहे हैं। और जैसे आपने ये बताया कि अभी मीटिंग का कोई हल नहीं निकला है, तो उस चीज़ को लेकर किसी भी तरह की डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो, उसी हिसाब से हमने अपने इंतजाम को बढ़ा रखा है और कोई भी ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी तो उसको फेस करने के लिए हम पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं।
Aishwarya and Milan both join us. First up, let's go straight across to Milan Sharma, who is joining us, getting us the ground reports at the moment. Milan, just encapsulate all the concerns that the farmers are facing at the moment, the main bones of contention which they have with the government.
So Chaiti, I'm at the Singhu border right now, and behind me also you can see people have started eating langar and they are feeding everybody who is around here. In fact, there's not a single person even coming from the neighboring areas who's not been fed. Of course, the major issues of concerns to farmers is that they have not been heard. And I would like to take this question to a young man here who's one of the students who's come here to help these farmers with their protest. आप बताइए, क्या आपको वाकई में लगता है कि फार्मर्स की बात नहीं सुनी जा रही है यहाँ पर?
बिल्कुल, हमें यही लग रहा है। बार बार जितने भी अटेम्प्ट्स किए जा रहे हैं बात करने के, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ नेगोशिएशन के लिए है। द गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट रेडी टू रोल बैक द एक्ट्स, दे आर जस्ट पोस्टपोनिंग एवरीथिंग एंड दे आर थिंकिंग दैट वी विल गो बैक, बट वी आर अगेन सेइंग टू द गवर्नमेंट वी विल ओनली गो बैक वंस यू विल रोल बैक दीज एक्ट्स।
तो इसका मतलब ये है, यू गाइज विल नॉट मूव फ्रॉम हियर एंड ऑलरेडी ऑल border points have been chakka jam. So how long do you think the protest will work here?
As long as the government will not roll back these acts, we will not go back to our Punjab. And not only this, they are offering us Buradi ground. We will not go there. We will, if there is any choice to go to Delhi, we will only go to the Jantar Mantar or else the Parliament. We will not go into a kind of jail.
Can you tell me, as a student, how are you helping the farmers over there? We have seen a lot of students have come forward to help the farmers in their protest. What is happening on ground now?
Since we are not only students, we are also kids of the farmers. We are also children of the farmers. So a kind of like we are helping as that also. But above all, like it's our responsibility as a student to stood with our farmers. We are helping with our any kind of our research that we have done. We are helping with all kinds of cleaning the roads. We are helping. We are serving in langar also, and we are like convincing the farmers who are less aware about this. So we are also doing that thing.
So Chaiti, I put this question straight across to the youth only because the youth is also in support of the farmers, and whether you see them sweeping the roads, keeping them clean, serving langar food, there's a whole system that's in place over here. So it's not just the farmers unions, but students and well-wishers and other organizations have also joined in the protest and helping out the farmers over here. And Chaiti, they are in for a long haul because all these men and these kids, they have come from far-flung places in Punjab and Haryana, and they are here to stay. Back to you.
All right, I'm going to take this across to Aishwarya as well. Aishwarya, there are certain solutions that the centre has given from the talks yesterday as well, but the farmers are not happy. They are not convinced with any of the points put forth by the centre. I'm going to just throw straight across to you to help us juxtapose the response of the farmers to the suggestions that have been made by the centre at the moment.
Well, let me tell you, Chaiti, had the farmers been happy with the response of the government, we wouldn't be seeing what we are seeing at the Chilla border. This is the border which connects Noida with the national capital, and farmers from Uttar Pradesh have now come here in large numbers and they are protesting. In fact, as Milind was pointing out, food is a big thing which these farmers are now doing, and looking at just the preparation of the kind of ration that the farmers have got, one can easily make out that the farmers are in the long haul. Most of the farmers we spoke with are of the opinion, if the government does not pay heed to them, they are ready to wait it out. From where I am standing, food for almost 700 people is being prepared, and this is just lunch. They have similar preparations for dinner as well. So definitely the farmers believe whatever the government is saying will not help them in the long haul. But also, most of the farmers are very keenly watching, will be watching tomorrow's meeting. Tomorrow 12 p.m. the central government and farmer associations will again have a meeting. The next course of action will be decided after that very crucial meeting. But yes, the farmers are here with their tractors, they are here with the food, they are here with the bedding. They are in the long haul, and they tell us that even if they have to stay here like this on the highways for the next 4 months, they are willing to do that.
From what I'm picking up from you, Aishwarya, looks like this protest can be indefinite in nature in case the centre does not give in to these demands of theirs. Continue to stay with us. Milan and Aishwarya both getting us those ground reports and the reality from ground zero at the moment. In fact, let's take this across to Akshata Nandagopal now, who explains the various checkpoints on the Delhi, UP and Delhi-Haryana border where the farmers are agitating. Over to you, Akshata.
The farmers' agitation along the borders of the national capital has caused a great amount of inconvenience for commuters. And I want to break down for you the routes that have been closed down, focusing first on the Delhi-Uttar Pradesh border, which means people who are travelling to Noida and from Noida to Delhi. Remember that the Akshardham Noida gate has been blocked off. Over 500 farmers have gathered there and the area completely barricaded off. What that means is that all the traffic has been diverted to these two routes. One is the Delhi-Noida direct flyway, which is completely open. NH24 is also open. So these are the two routes that are available for commuters. What about Delhi-Haryana? There you've got a lot more protests, so a lot more border checkpoints that have been completely closed off. The Singhu border, which has witnessed protests from day one, has been blocked. Tikri border is closed. The Jharoda border as well as the Jhatikra border have also been blocked and closed off right now for any vehicular movement. But there are several other areas bordering Delhi that have been open at this point. Dhansa, Dorala, you've got Rajokri, which is NH8, all of that is open. Also Kapashera is open. Besides the several other parts like Bajghera, Palam Vihar as well as Dundahera are open. So several areas along the Delhi-Haryana border have been shut off. There are still, however, several options for commuters to still travel at this point.
Let's now take a look at the ground reports that are filed by reporters on the farmers' protests.
Here, protesting farmers are taking a unique way of protest. They are right now they are organizing a yagya right here at the border, and they want to give message to government that all the atmosphere should be purified by this yagya, and a message should go to from the farmer side to government, and they want their message to be conveyed to government. So all these kind of what will you say, that some dramatic scenes can be seen at the protest site. It's not a normal protest. It's something which has come out in the minds of farmers, and they want government to talk in a good atmosphere with a good sense to concede on their demands. With camera person Himanshu Sharma, it's Kumar Kunal from Gazipur border, Delhi for India.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.